December December 3rd, 2024. This is how you remove the glass off of the iPhone 13 after going through a laser machine. And it was very bright and interesting to watch. But everything is, all the glue is supposed to be disintegrated and dry, and you can easily do this. But without the laser machine, how difficult is it without the laser machine?
It's very difficult, you know.
It's very difficult.
You would have to use that?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can capture him as well.
Oh, wow.
No, it's not.
And so doing a back plate on an iPhone is not an easy thing.
Exactly. Not an easy thing. Show him. You can capture him as well.
Oh,
Yeah.
check him out.
Come here. You can see him. Amir, look here. Yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
This is some hard work here.
He's one of the best employees of my shop.
Wow. We did give him good lunch then.
I know. Yeah. He's been working almost like 2 years since in my shop. I own this shop, so
Oh, so you're the Tom Nguyen.
yeah, I'm the partner of the business. So we have one more, Mohammed. He's the co-partner to me.
Gotcha. Yeah, I like you guys so much. I'm gonna anytime I have a problem with my friends, I'm gonna send you guys.
Sure, you're always welcome.
Yeah. Look at that, even with the laser machine. Wow. This is why my wife said just let the professionals do it. Alright, very cool.